Expect acceptance, give acceptance. Because see, your job as a human being, much less a leader, is to do all you can to maintain the self-esteem of others. If you do that, my friends, people will walk on coals for you. Do not wait till others do it. Do not wait until you have a new job with the right title and you're making the kind of money. Do not wait until you have permission. Do not wait until you're invited, until it's a supermoon. Take the initiative to do everything we're talking about, as simple as it is, all the time with everyone, regardless of how you feel. I'm adequate. I'm adequate as a parent, as a boss, as a manager, as a leader, as a colleague. I'm adequate. Say this is Mr. or Ms. Big in your life, because we all have people like that, of course. You know, it can be bosses, it can be your divorce lawyer, it can be your minister, someone powerful, intimidating. When you deal with that person, expect acceptance means you put yourself here. Not here a little because, well, you're nice and humble and you don't have the title and you don't make the money and you don't have the tenure. As a human being, you are here. You can give respect and appreciation to that person's title and power, but you give here too, because if you don't, they won't. You have a God-given right as a human being walking this earth, and believe me, the kind of recruiting they do here, everyone here has a right to expect acceptance, assume acceptance. Ask questions. Lead your life by asking questions. You know a lot, you're bright, you're energetic, but you will maintain other self-esteem. You will learn. You will set yourself apart from others. You will be appreciated. You will handle surprise and attack. You will learn. You will buy time to think and how you want to handle if you'll ask questions. Let me ask you, let me get your opinion here. In addition to being viewed as brilliant at what you do, would it also be okay if people thought of you as memorable, impressive, credible, genuine, authentic, trusted, comfortable, confident, cool, calm, collected? I mean, would that be okay to have that effect on people? And use humor. It is okay to smile. It is okay to laugh. Everyone here has about 1,672 opportunities a day to set yourself apart from others while still doing what we're saying, maintain self-esteem, expect acceptance, give acceptance. If you take 3 of them, and it takes about 3 seconds, your life will change. The secret is this. Intelligently observe what most people do in any situation you are in, and don't do that.